my name is Kunal Suri. I basically belong from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I am a chartered accountant by profession. And then I'm also a BCom along with that. So I came to Bombay in 2014 to pursue my higher studies after my schooling from Jaipur. So over there, I studied BCom from HR college. Along with that, I was also doing my chartered accountancy course, which I completed all the levels in the first attempt. So along with my chartered accountancy, we have to do articleship, as you may be aware. So that I was doing from PwC. I was into audit, and then I completed those 3 years as well. And then post my completion of chartered accountancy, I sat in the campus placement and I got placed in Wipro Limited, which was based in Bangalore. So then I moved to Bangalore and I was working with Wipro for almost 3.5 years. Over there, I was handling the GST related profile, all the tax, registrations and filings that we have on the month end process. And then recently, like last year, I changed my career and I got career work company and I moved to Nayara Energy, which is based in Bombay, where I'm right now. So I've been working in this company for 1 year in a FP&A kind of a profile, where we are doing the 5 year business plan of the company. When it was a pandemic around 2020, so I was like really, quite bored at home, and we were not going out, we were not doing anything, and the work was also very redundant. So then I started researching about various courses that are available for professionals like me in finance, and then I came about CPA. And CPA I had heard it before also, but what happened was like I had heard that all the exams we have to go to either Dubai or US, so it was very expensive on the pocket. So I did not pursue it at earlier stage. But then I saw that now the testing is happening in India as well. So I thought that this is a good opportunity for me to enhance my skills and do this course. Then I started researching, and then I saw Miles. It came as the number one kind of an institute, and then I reached out to the relevant people who were over there, and then they helped me register for this course. And from there my journey started, and then I uh, kept learning on the way. So first tip is, don't overthink or over study material. Don't refer to too many books. Just focus on the concepts. And Miles material is enough. Don't need to refer anything else. Every day you should allot a few hours or something based on your schedule. Don't put it all for the last 15 days or 20 days. So regular study will really help you. And the third thing is that just keep a calm mind. They were really happy because I was doing it for quite a long time, and I had told them that this is not something everyone gets an opportunity to do, and I'm getting this opportunity and I'm giving it my 100%, and let's hope that I get it cleared. And then I did, and then they were really happy for me that I achieved this feat. Yeah. CPA matlab miles.